Hello, today we're working on problems 10 through 12. For this first one, we have our angle is negative 5 pi. So we do negative 5 pi, and then we take what we have for each of those ones. So sine will be 0. Cosine is negative 1. Tangent is that sine over the cosine, so that's 0. Your cosecant is going to be the reciprocal of sine, so it's going to be 1 over 0, so that is undefined. Your secant is going to be negative 1, and cotangent will be, again, the negative 1 divided by 0, which is undefined. Looking at problem 11, again, we can draw out our angle. So here is our angle. That means sine is going to be negative root 2 over 2. Cosine is also going to be negative root 2 over 2. Tangent, we're going to take the sine divided by our cosine, so it will be a positive 1. Cosecant, we're just going to do the reciprocal of sine, so we'll flip it over. Secant, we'll do the same thing, but with cosine. And cotangent, we'll do the reciprocal of tangent, which is 1 again. For problem 12, we need to factor this. So when we factor this, we'll have 3x minus 4 and 2x minus 9. So x is going to equal 4 over 3 or 9 over 2. And that's it for tonight's homework. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.